Hey everyone, in this video we are going to solve palindrome number. We are given an integer x and we have to return true if it is palindrome, otherwise false. A palindrome number is the number which is same from forward and backward. If I check the first example, the 1 to 1 is same from the beginning and from the end it will also be 1 to 1. In example 2, there is minus included, and when we reverse it the minus will come to the last position, so it will always be not palindrome. Means if any integer contains negative value, like if x is less than 0, if x is less than 0 we simply return false in that case. In the third example also the reverse will be 0 1, which is not equal to 1 0. So let's try to write the brute force approach for this. In the brute force approach we will do the reverse of the integer and then we will compare both the strings. This is integer, we will convert it to the string so that the reversing of number become easy. In the starting we will write a edge case. When the x is less than 0, we return false. After that we will take a variable original and we will store the variable x by converting it to string so that the reverse become easy. Then we do reverse equal to original and then we do reverse inbuilt function and reverse the string ref dot end, and at last we simply compare the reverse and original. If it is equal then we return true, otherwise false. Let's run this code. It will be string. Submit it. Its time complexity will be big O of n and its space complexity will be big O of n, as we are storing the reverse in. So let's try to write the optimal solution for this. I will try to explain you in simple words. So first take variable. Let's take an example of 1 2 3 3 2 1. This is palindrome, but we have to check because it reads from forward to and backward same. So for the optimal solution we can take two variables, that is in the starting index and then at the last index, and then we will compare both the elements. If we got both elements same, we traverse again, means we do L++ and R minus minus, and when we do this process while L is less than R, means they do not overlap. So this is the two-pointer approach. Let's code this. The first condition will remain same. When x is less than 0 we return false. After this we will take a string str and then we convert it to string. After that we will take two variables, that is left point to the 0 and the right point to the string size -1, means the last position, and then we will run while loop. While left is less than right, we simply check if str left is not equal to str right, which means that if there is mismatch in the string value in the starting and the right, so we return false. And in the while loop we do left ++ right minus when there is match in the string values, and at last we return true, which means all the characters in the starting and end index is matched. Let's run this code. Submit it. Its time complexity will be big O of n and space complexity will be big O of n. but it's a optimal solution than reversing the string. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.